Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's quickly learn this beautiful style together again. Yes, always together. Alright, so just bring out your Seiko fabric. You can see what I'm holding on my hand. Full length of Seiko fabric, and this is not the hard one. This is just the silk. Is silk a fabric, so if your head wrap is soft, you can go ahead and do this style. If it's strong, it's still hard, it is still okay. All right, so placing it on my head this way, the measurement is 30-70. You can see this longer side is 70, then the shorter side is 30. I placed it on my head this way, then I started taking the plates. Pay close attention to what I am doing. This head wrap is very easy, very simple, I tell you. So I started taking my pleats now. I took 4 pleats. You can take 3, you can take 4, depending on how wide your head wrap is. I took 4 so that I'll be able to use the remaining parts to close the back. Of course, I want to close the back, but if you are not closing the back, you can pleat like 6, 7 or thereabouts. Alright, so I finished taking the pleats now. I've started arranging the pleats. Arrange the pleats neatly. Watch what I am doing now. Just pay close attention to my hand. You will get it. Yes. So I finished arranging that side, then this other side now, see what I did here. I slant it. You see, this side I did not close my ear, this side I close my ear. This is how you can easily form your V head wrap. Alright, so taking it to the back now, you see that side I'll use to close the ear, which is the shorter part, go down. Then cross it this way. I'll bring everything to the front. Then I will use this shorter part now to close the ear. Pay close attention here now. This is how you form your V. If you did not, if it's maybe, this is another way to form your V. You see it now. I have crossed it. So I've closed this other ear now, thereby forming a V. You can see it now. So if you want to tie head wrap, that V will be in the front. This is how you're going to do it. There is another style, another way you can use to create V, but this is the easiest way you can form your V. Alright, so taking another pleat on that side. Alright, taking another pleat on that side, I took 4 pleats. This the other side, I took 4. So this other side too, I'm going to take 4 pleats. Watch closely what I am doing. Alright, so taking that pleat now. Alright, arrange the pleats. So you see it now, just arrange the pleat, then this part now, bring it down and pin it. Okay, just use your office pin and pin it down. Okay, just pay close attention now. Very easy head wrap, but I tell you, it's going to come out elegant, trust me. Alright, so pinning it down there now. Please just be patient, you will be able to learn. Alright, so this other side now, you twist it, the longer side, you twist it. It's very easy, it's something you can do dancing, as you can see. It's very easy. Alright, so just twist and twist and twist. You're not going to twist everything, but just watch now. Twist it to the middle and raise it up this way. Watch closely. Then this other side, don't twist it. If you twist it, you will not be able to spread it. So just took a plate, rough plates. Watch my hand closely now what I am doing. Took a rough plate, raise it up a little bit. Raise it up a little bit this way. Then bring it together. Use your rubber band and hold it. Hold that part that you raise up. Okay, pay close attention now. It's very easy head wrap. Alright, so just use your rubber band and hold it. You're going to use that part to create some flowers, rose, I don't know. All right, so we continue. Taking another rough pleat. What we did on this first one is what we are going to do. Okay, taking a rough pleat, raise it up this way, bring them together, and then pick up your rubber band and hold it. So that is what we are going to do until you exhaust the material you have there. You can take 2, you can take 3, you can take 4, depending on how long your head wrap is. 2 is beautiful, 3 is beautiful. All right, so you can see now I've taken 2 already. So use a rubber band and hold it. Now I'm still taking another one. I want to exhaust what I'm having here. So taking another one now, rough pleats, raise it up a little bit, then use your rubber band to hold it. Okay, so just use your rubber band to hold it. That is the third one. Now you can see I've exhausted the fabric that is there. So the remaining parts now, I'm going to twist it. Pay close attention now. So these remaining parts now, I will twist it. See, I will twist it, take it to the back. Anywhere it stops, I will use my office pin to hold it there. Pin it very well. You can pin twice. If you're not sure of the first pin, you can go ahead and pin it 2 times or even more than that, but make sure the pins are not showing anyhow. All right, so you can see I'll secure that part. So this other part now, we are going to close the back, then we'll come to the front and do the remaining arrangement. All right, so pay close attention to what I am doing now. These excesses now, I'm going to fold them inside. I'll fold it inside, bringing it down, fold it inside, bring it down until I exhaust it. Then I'll use my office pin and hold it. Our head wrap is getting ready. So if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Gile Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. All right, so just pick your office pin. You can see the back now. Pick your office pin and hold it, and the back is well closed. So we are coming to the front now to spread out that part that I raised up, that part that I took a rough pleat, use rubber band to hold and raise it up. We are going to spread it now. Watch, we're going to spread it. You see, it's very easy. It's something you can do dancing. As you can see, I'm dancing already, so you can join me. So just spread it out, spread it out, spread it. All right, and you have your beautiful rose there. All right, so as I said before, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, my video, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Gile Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. So please do what to drop your like, drop your comment. Don't just watch and walk away. Please, if you want me to bring palm wine for you, I'll just bring it. Don't watch and walk away. Please, I am begging you, unless you're not interested to learn. But if you're interested to learn, please do subscribe to my channel, so whenever I drop any video, you will be the first to get it. All right, so please subscribe to my channel, share my video to your families and friends. Let them also benefit from it. Let them also learn. Yes, if you learn your head wrap, it will cut costs for you. It takes money to tie head wrap, I tell you. And if you want to wear Oto Egede, how many colors are you going to wear? Okay, so you can see it's very important for you to learn how to do your simple head wrap all by yourself. Beautiful ones, elegant ones. So when your outfit is speaking for you, let your head wrap shout for you. You can see how elegant it is, beautifully ready. So thank you so much, all my old and new subscribers. I love you so much. I appreciate you so much. Yes, thanks for watching. Remain cool until I see you in my next video. Please don't forget to drop your like and comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.